Welcome to the Reich family.
We have a special guest again, Gabby, who's been in our videos, and we love having Gabby, right?
No.
Okay, so today we are going to do last to leave the
ice skating rink.
First, we are going to find the
elves
like we do in every single Christmas video.
Okay, start upstairs.
I'm actually gonna start in the basement since you said start upstairs, so I'm kind of.
Hey guys, look at my room.
Oh, whoa! I found them. Did you know they have a new car?
That's rich, yo.
Whoa! She got a new
BMW.
Well, we are on our way to the ice skating rink for our last to leave challenge.
In real life, there are rails like this.
Well, we are here.
Oh my gosh, it's snowing.
This is like perfect for like
Yay!
our ice skating.
Me and Victoria have yellow. And Mason has green and Vivi has pink.
Can we take a moment of appreciation for my outfit though? It's slaying.
I'm blue. Oh, hello.
Gabby, you didn't even take a shower before we left.
Did I?
Oh, it doesn't look like it.
With this hairstyle, I kind of look.
You kind of look like a bop.
With this.
I just want
Nobody cares.
to leave the ice skate.
Nobody cares.
With this hairstyle, I kind of look like Vivi. Not gonna lie.
Can I have Can we like do a montage?
No.
Okay, ready? Our last to leave the ice skating rink starts in 3, 2, 1. We can now.
Why are you so dirty?
Gabby, you're filthy. I'm staying away from you. It's cuffing season.
Nobody wants it.
Oh! Wait, how do we play tag?
Yeah, I'm the
Okay.
How about dirty tag?
Yeah. Gabby's dirty, so she's gonna be the tagger. Okay? Ready?
Let me
Go.
come to you, maybe.
How are you so fast?
She's so
What
fast.
the heck?
Ow.
We're so slow.
Yeah, why is she like so fast? Out of the challenge.
Flip you.
I don't want to
What'd you just say?
Nothing. Even if I left it,
Can I talk?
No.
So now Mac.
Stop.
So now Mason and Gabby are the taggers, and me and Vivi have to try to get away from them.
Hola, Coca-Cola, sayo.
Like in sync.
You get Vivi, I get Victoria.
Hola, Coca-Cola,
All the
sayo.
girls be winning. I need a big goal.
I'm slow.
Oh my gosh, here we come, Vivi. Oh, I tagged you, Vivi.
Now everyone against me.
Good.
Yay.
Adios. I just missed you.
Oh my god.
Adios.
You're getting dirty.
Oh, I tagged you.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I
No,
did.
you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
You're getting dirty anyways.
For me, then how are we supposed to know if I tagged you if
Because you would touch me.
I did touch you?
No, you went past me, but you didn't touch me. It's on camera.
But it doesn't. It's not fair. Because if I just tagged you right now.
Okay, fine, whatever.
I tagged
You
you.
just tagged me.
I got my
Is it just me, or is like the snow becoming really harder?
No, it's coming harder, guys.
Look at me.
Do you think we should stop?
Yeah, I'm tired.
Oh my god, I'm getting like drenched in wetness.
Oh my god,
right
go,
now.
guys,
we
let's
need to
go.
get into our van. I mean our
BMW.
BMW, whatever.
Wants to leave the ice skate.
Well, I guess Vivi won. Vivi, come on, we gotta go down. It's snowing really hard.
No! Get out. Get out.
No.
Get out.
No.
Get
Our
out.
car is really gonna be like a trash can over here.
I know,
I'm
because-
the one who's thinking this place.
Yeah, you shouldn't take a shower.
No.
Oh, guys, it's getting really cold. And yes,
We're here.
it was me who put up the
It's
lights.
Hi, I'm the problem, it's me. Wait, is that the lyrics?
Clean. I'm just
What?
gonna clean you.
What?
All the lights.
The lights went off.
They did.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
We're really in a blizzard. Wait,
Thank you.
we really are in a blizzard pickle.
What in the world?
Just go where the fireplace is, and then.
Yeah, we can get warm. We can get warm there.
Wait,
Come
I
on,
need to sleep
let go.
real quick.
Santa.
What in the world?
No one look
I
over
feel
there.
like the this should not be here. The
Why?
chair,
Oh yeah.
because it's kind of in the way. But it's okay. Where's
Guys,
Vivi?
where's Yeah.
Oh, she's right here.
Oh.
Wait, Vivi, let me carry you,
No,
baby.
don't. Please.
I'm roasting a marshmallow, and you're kind of stepping on it, Mason.
Sorry.
What? I wish I step in fire so that I can burn.
What?
Whoa there, what did you just say?
Yay! Presents! I got my present!
What?
It's not Christmas yet. Don't open it. No one
We're
gave you a
literally by the
present.
fireplace.
Nobody ever gave you a present
I'm
though.
in my room sweeping, so... No,
Then
Why are you
if
talking
you're
then?
sleeping, you shouldn't be talking.
I know.
Oh,
It's cuffing season, and all the girls be... That song's like stuck in my head. I can't get it out. Oh, I love the decorations.
Thank you.
Wait,
wait.
Gabby, you forgot about your food. Now it's burnt in the oven.
Hey! No, you're not going to sleep. You're going to stay up with us.
Who are you talking to?
No! No. It's not even Christmas yet.
It's 12 o'clock,
But
guys.
when you had a present, you didn't say anything about it.
I wrapped the paper off. Oh, I got a present.
Well, I got some hot chocolate.
I got a present and I wrapped it off. No, you don't. Yes, I did. No, you did not. I don't see it.
Anyways, we just.
Mason, get off the table.
Oh yeah, right. We're just chilling in the dark.
What if we play Truth or Dare?
Whoa, we should play the Ouija board. Will we die tonight? Yes.
What? No. I'm
Okay.
outside.
What? Vivi, get in here.
Vivi, come on. It's like 70-mile-per-hour wind.
I like wind. What?
Okay, guys, we should play Truth or Dare.
Truth or dare.
Okay.
Got it.
Gabby, Truth or Dare.
What?
Truth or Dare. Pick Truth or Dare.
Truth.
Do you like Mason?
No.
That's hurtful.
As just a friend. As a friend.
That's what they all say.
What?
Vivi, stop getting outside. It's literally a blizzard.
It's a blizzard happening outside.
Vivi.
Come on, guys.
Anyways,
Hey guys, who wants some hot dogs?
hot dogs. No thanks. I don't like hot dogs.
I thought you'd like some.
No, I'm not really into hot dogs. Okay, Mason, Truth or Dare. Stop turning on
Dare,
the fireplace. I'm hot.
Truth.
I mean, I'm cold.
Truth.
Truth?
I mean dare.
Dare?
Dare.
I dare you to go outside for the blizzard the whole entire time.
No.
What? Why did I choose dare? What was the truth gonna be then?
Do you like hot chocolate?
No freaking way. Good night, guys.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Don't leave the door open.
Oh my god.
Okay, I can see you in the window.
Hola, Coca-Cola.
Mm-hmm.
It's very cold outside.
How are you doing out there, buddy?
I'm doing very bad.
Oh, and so you don't get in? I'm going to lock the door. Oh, it's already locked.
Ayo! Ayo!
Oh yeah, I locked the door.
No way.
And each door. I locked each door.
Oh, sad.
Oh,
So
what?
you're gonna have
You
to
locked
stay
each
there.
door.
Where's Vivi?
I don't know.
Wait, where is Vivi?
I think she's outside with me.
Oh, she's in the basement.
Baby.
Oh, Vivi, why are you in the basement in the dark?
Why is it blue?
Because it looks so nice, doesn't it? It looks like Elsa's palace.
What?
Come on, guys.
It's cuffing
Now.
season.
Now.
Oh,
Let me in.
Run.
Please let me in.
I can make a snowman in the
Please
house.
let me in. I will die out here. I will die.
Do you want me
Fine,
to-
get in.
Here, let me help you. Let me help you get in.
Oh my god. I stayed out there for 70 minutes.
What?
It hasn't even been 5 minutes. You're
Oh.
over dramatic.
Oh, yeah, right. Okay, I'm gonna go to bed.
Bro, you have a snowman in
Good
here?
night.
Wait, look at my snowman.
Victoria, you have snowmans in here. I don't like this.
I also have other men.
What?
Wait.
Victoria, please. There's no snow in here.
This
So why are
is
you
the
making
first time I've heard you like actually be serious.
You can
Oh,
you can make a snowman even if it wasn't strong.
So, you know.
Vivi, why are you on me? I'm trying to go to bed. Oh my god.
What the heck? I'm gonna just leave that there. Oh my god, my foot's asleep.
Every video you put to sleep. What are you talking about?
Good night, guys.
Vivi, can you just please leave? Ah! You're hitting me! Ah! Please. I said,
Give me the bed.
It's not even your bed.
yeah, get out.
Bruh,
Get
why
out.
would you say it's your bed?
You know what, Vivi? I'm gonna go in your bed and trash all your toys. Put it all in the trash can.
No.
Yeah? How come I have one right now? How can I have one right now?
Where are you? Guys, can you just like shush?
Can you shush?
Shay.
Can you shush?
I'm trying to make some dinner here.
Wait,
It's 3 o'clock in the morning. What are you trying to?
Guys, if we are not sleeping, ghosts are gonna. Baby, that's my room. That's my bed.
You know what? It's fine.
Guys, if we're not sleeping, ghosts will haunt us. Like
Alright,
Mom
guys.
said. Why is the oven trashed? Look at it. It's like all like. Ugh.
Guys, I'm trying to sleep here because if we
Gabby,
don't
go
sleep
to
at 3
bed
a.m.,
in the basement.
people will haunt us.
Yeah. I feel bad for Gabby. She's sleeping in the basement.
Oh,
Dang.
I can sleep in someone else's bed.
No! I swear, if you come in my room. Oh, there you
Why is
go.
everyone in my room? It's like foggy in here.
True.
What is going on?
Here's something?
Gabby, why were you in Mason's room?
What?
And
I'm just
why
laying
is
in
it
bed.
why were you Okay. It looks so foggy. Is this from the storm, you think? Guys? It's cuffing season. Oh my god, the basement.
What?
Holy
What
sheesh.
it
I said holy sheesh.
Okay, I'm gonna turn the lights on. Cause
Bruh! You
What?
told me not to turn them on, then 2 seconds later you turned them
because
on.
it was why is there a snowman in here?
Because you made him last night.
No,
Yes.
I didn't.
You did.
No, I didn't. What if that was like another me?
What?
Cause I was in.
That would be cologne.
Who made all these foods?
Gabby.
No, that was not me.
Yes, it was.
What if they're ghosts that were pretending to
Wait,
be
oh my
us?
Maybe that's why we shouldn't have went to. Gabby, cállate,
You're not even
cállate.
saying it right, I don't think.
Cállate.
Don't you speak Spanish, Gabby?
No.
Cállate, niño.
No, niña.
No, it's niño.
You're calling Gabby a boy.
Yeah, good.
You're so cute, baby.
I
You're
just
my
wanted
favorite
my present.
daughter.
I'm just
Anyway.
gonna take my present down here.
No! Oh my god.
Mason, you need a shower.
I do.
put my toy away.
Anyway, I'm gonna make breakfast.
We had to name the elves.
We already
We
did.
Did we?
Yes!
You were in with the video with us.
You were here when
Angel-
we named them. Angel and
Ashton.
Ashton.
Angel and Ashton.
Right.
Yeah.
Kick. Ow. I want to kick this ball out.
Oh, what? Mine?
Kick.
Hopefully.
I'm coloring.
I'm the goalie.
Coloring
Do it.
the table.
No, I didn't. I did. Try to do a penalty on me. You will definitely miss.
I'm coloring
Aw, this is so romantic.
Hey, shut up.
Here go take a shower before you speak to me. Here, why don't you guys sit here?
I don't like running in this house.
Watch some Christmas movies with your brownies.
What?
I'm just
Guys,
running.
Yeah.
guys, sit over there.
Can I just have like some cheese popcorn?
Look
on my TV.
Okay, I'm coming.
This is the best thing ever.
Who let the dogs out? Who?
Anyways, guys, I hope you liked this video.
No, we're not done yet. What?
Why?
It's
It's
gonna be like
it's
5
already the
minutes
morning.
long.
It's already the morning.
All girls be winning.
It's already the morning.
Who cares?
Your mom.
So I'm an orphan child
Why are we talking about this again?
because I love being an orphan child.
You love being an orphan child?
That's so sad.
Yeah. I found something.
Oh,
something.
actually, the pool's pretty heated. Yeah, what's up?
Come here.
What? No, it's going in the sauna.
Come on. I found something right here.
Girl, this has been here like a year ago.
Wait.
She's in the panic room.
Bruh.
This is like one of our first videos.
I know.
Don't watch that. It's kind of embarrassing.
It's cringe.
Does that mean
Cringy.
I have to be panicking in there? Since
Yeah.
it's the panic room?
Yeah, you go in there whenever you feel like you need a panic.
Eh.
Whee! Where's Vivi?
Okay.
That's the big concern.
here alone.
Oh.
Hey guys, I found another door.
Whoa, it's sunny now.
sit with me?
No.
Yeah, I'll come with you.
Mason, why would you Whoever comes here first could get my money.
You don't have money, child.
Whoa! Oh, is that blood?
Whee! Blood?
There's a caution sign and then there's blood.
Whee! What's your favorite part about Christmas?
Getting presents.
But like, do you like anything else?
The elves coming and I touch
What? What? You touched them?
in the video.
Oh, in the video?
Yeah, I touched them and
Yeah, we can tell. We can all tell.
Well, like, what else do you like about Christmas?
The elves coming and having fun.
Well, like, do you like spending time with your family?
Making snowmans and having fun with my family.
Aww. Do you like spending time with your family in Christmas?
Yeah. Just kidding, I like presents.
Oh wow, that's sad.
Oh, okay. Gabby, what's your favorite part about Christmas?
Going to Massachusetts this year.
Mason, what's your favorite part about Christmas?
You know.
Oh, don't you dare.
I
Tell us that you touched the elves.
At least I didn't touch the elves.
Like you did.
Okay, can I just say my...
fast.
Okay, my favorite part about Christmas is spending time with family and posting Christmas videos on the Reach family so we get more subscribers. And we're on
Why are
the
you
road.
talking like Adam Sandler?
I don't know. Well, and we're on the way to 2,000 subscribers, so that's
Oh my
really
god,
fun.
that's amazing. What?
Yeah.
You have 1,000.
Whoa, my throw was impeccable.
Yeah, we have 1,603.
Impeccable.
Are you sure? You should check again.
Oh yeah, I should check. But we only got 3 subscribers today, so that's a bummer.
What?
If you guys like this video, make sure you like,
Subscribe.
And turn on the notifications.
and turn on those post notifications. You heard it from Vivi.
I love you.
I love you.
Aww.
Check out our YouTube now.
Check out our YouTube channel.
Oh, you're so cute. Do you know that everybody loves you, Vivi?
No.
Oh. Everybody, show love for her in the comments now.
What?
Anyways, bye. Chocolate.
Check who's guys, look who's in front of you. Oh, what?
What the heck?
I was just...
Anyway.
Bye, adios, amigo.
Never seen your house, so can we go there?